So I have received a lot of questions related to gold, how to approach gold in the current situation, should we buy, should we sell. So I'm doing a complete breakdown analysis starting from the monthly, moving down to the 4-hour chart, and I will try to make this analysis as educational as possible so that you guys can learn from it. Starting from the monthly, what we can see is that this was the previous structure resistance from which the market made this huge retracement to the downside in 2011. Similarly, we can expect a retracement from this point, but what is the current situation? Current situation is that the monthly candle is moving above the structure resistance. But still there are 4 days and 16 hours left before the monthly candle closes. So on the monthly, the market is currently bullish, so we cannot expect any type of shorting opportunity. Moving down to the weekly chart, what is the situation? So on the weekly chart, what we can see is that market made this overextended impulse to the upside without any retracement. As we know that the market moves in waves and not in a single line, so we can expect a retracement on the weekly chart soon enough. So if we want to measure the retracement, what will we do? We will take a Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, and what we can see is that the 0.5 and 0.618, which is the golden ratio level, it lies somewhere in between this point. So this is the situation on the weekly chart, and if we see a retracement, this will be our target on the weekly chart. Coming down to the daily chart, what we can see is that our 0.5 and 0.618 golden ratio level aligns well with the structural resistance, which will be now later turned into structural support. So if the market makes a retracement, then our target will be 1800 level at this point. So on the 4-hour chart, how will we approach this kind of situation? First of all, what we need to see is that the last red candle which the market made while moving towards the upward direction is at this point. So we will wait for the market to break below the structure support on the 4-hour chart, and which will be later on turned into structure resistance. So we will monitor the price action of the market at this point when the market retests this level, and if our rules of entry point satisfy, then we can have a good shorting opportunity with our target being at 1800 level. So I strongly suggest to be reactive in the market and not predictive. Don't trade on the basis of the prediction that the market will be soon making a retracement, but in fact trade on the basis of the market giving a specific indication that now I am making a retracement. Then if you put the trade, the risk reward ratio will be good, and the risk of losing a trade will be very low. So if you have any questions related to gold or any other pair, feel free to send me a direct message. My WhatsApp number is in the description, and if you want accurate signals, join my Telegram channel. The link is also in the description. So if you liked our analysis, do like and subscribe and join our mentorship program and learn the best strategies which have been tested for more than 5 years and have a success rate of more than 90%.